Joyful day to all of you. In the present world, the most talked about, the most branded word is attraction and law of attraction. Almost everybody knows what is attraction, what is law of attraction. Yes, it's a very powerful knowledge, a powerful principle on the basis of which the human experiences are evolving and it is getting created and happening outside of your life. That's how it is happening. So, whatever you live is attracted by you. Whatever you are going to live is going to be attracted by you. Nothing happens in your life without you attracting it. And that's why that name and the principle of attraction has become so popular. You go and talk to all the famous people, all the celebrities, all the successful people. They may be business entrepreneurs, they may be, any field, professionals, cine stars, whoever it is. If you go talk to them very closely, they will ask one question: do you know the knowledge of attraction? Because everybody has got the same talent, same skill. Thousands of people with same skill, same talents are prevailing in this world. But only few are becoming successful because those few people are really very good in attraction. People consider that as a fate or luck or something, but it is attraction. But law of attraction, what is that? It's a law. It doesn't say that once you implement law of attraction, you get what you want. The law says the way you are, there is an authentic principle within that, and once you live that principle, it must become your experience. That's law. The law is not about getting things. Law is saying that it is a principle through which all your experiences are happening. Not only good things, less than good things, not good things are also attracted by a person. So that is what is really very powerful to know in attraction. Law of attraction is operating from the power of absorption. Every human, the human consciousness naturally has got the power to absorb. Natural power to absorb. You are born with it. Anything that you are living in your life, in the external life, you are living with your senses. Everything is getting absorbed and it is getting processed and it is getting attracted. So first one should know what is absorption. In India, this is what is very powerful. In India, it is known as Samvarga. And all these people have learned these principles in India. Our great ancestors have lived these principles so well, and their creations have really, surprised and shocked many people outside. Till now, they don't know how they could have created it. But they only found out they had a power of attraction to manifest what they wanted instantly. And now it is prevailing as a very powerful knowledge. So really enjoy your life, the more you enjoy your life, the more you attract really very well. Okay, that's one part of it. Learn the knowledge, live well, and see you.